Guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we're doing a shoot, like a lifestyle kind of shoot in a park. We have our model here and everything. There they are making a TikTok. So we are trying to arrange, I'm trying to get my script right and everything. Today I'm dressed in, I'm dripped like a, a suicide bomber kind of thing. Don't mind me, I'm not. I just felt like dressing this way today, so I decided to do. So we're getting ready for the shoot. We're setting up and we're trying to start. It's just an easy something like a lifestyle kind of thing, but picture it in a nature settings. So stay tuned and enjoy. So they are still there shooting some TikTok videos, and I'm scouting for locations. I would have wanted it to be like, I wanted the shoot to have a lot of flowers and stuffs like that, but I'm not seeing much of flowers here. Wow, this tree is popping some. Let me show you guys something here. That tree here, don't mind my camera, it's not that good. That tree, the one center, I feel it will give a great feel. Let me go closer to get a look at the tree. So I'm heading to the tree now. I told you all, I'm getting this horror movie vibe from what I'm about to do right now, because there's all these blackbirds. Can you hear the sound? There are all these blackbirds around the tree and stuff like that. Here's the tree. I would have wanted to use it, but the stuff that caught my mind actually is too high, and our model is not. This is what I wanted to be in the shoot. This see, it's beautifully arranged on the trees, but it's too high up and it will not give me the feel I want. I wanted it to be somewhere low so that I can get my model around the tree with all those stuff. I think we can still get a wide shot here. Let's see how it goes though. Please, if you are watching this, like, subscribe, share. Let's keep pushing, man. We're taking a walk in nature. Once again, I told you all, getting horror movie vibes from this. But I'm gonna move regardless. So I have this idea. I got this idea to take these flowers and round it up for our model to sit around. I don't know if you get the concept, but maybe when I'm done with it or when I'm shooting it, you get what I mean. So I need my two hands to get these flowers. So catch you at the next junction. So I've gotten the flowers, not as much as I wanted though, but the tree is too high, and as you can see, I'm a very tall man. So I just got what I can and I'm going to set it up. I just hope this goes out well, So I'm going to drop a link to today's shoot in the description. So if you are interested or you are loving the process, then you can just click on it and enjoy. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to get my B-rolls, trying to get a beautiful image of these grasses. We're at work. My grass have been a flower set. I know they try get beautiful image of this thing where they behind me. And Sean, free. You don't need to be fast. Just enjoy the run.
That alone, then we're not jumping out.
So we're done with the shoot. We're still shooting some TikTok. I want to go and interrupt their TikTok video. I'm not supposed to be part of the video, but I must enter. Yes, now I will spoil it. Now because of this TikTok where they say now they disturb my video. Small thing they want to go show this TikTok, make I go spoil am now. Mission accomplished.